welcome to another episode of Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make idli and dosa batter. Yes guys, it's very easy and very simple to make. You need to just take care of few points and the batter will be very nice and the idlis will be very fluffy. So check down the ingredients in the recipe. If you like the video, do click on the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe for more such delicious recipes and delicacies on the plate. To make batter for idli, here I have taken 3 level bowls of rice, any cheap quality rice you can use, and then this is heaped quantity of urad dal. I have taken this dal one heaped bowl because again here I am adding 1 bowl of this is flat rice. This gives a nice fluffiness to the dough. So I have taken 1 heaped bowl of urad dal. Now I am going to soak this rice and dal for around 6 to 7 hours. This flattened rice I am not going to soak. I'll just keep this aside. This I'm going to soak when I'll be grinding this. So just before grinding this rice and urad, I'll soak this, and after this grinding is done, I'll grind this poha or the flattened rice and then add it. So first I'll just wash this rice and dal. Wash 2 to 3 times so that it is properly clean. After the dal and rice is cleaned properly, just fill water, adequate quantity of water, and soak the rice and dal for 6 to 7 hours. And last but not the least, also add 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds. So I'm just going to soak this along with dal and rice. Now here you can see all the ingredients are soaked well. The rice, the black lentil skinless which is soaked, and here is the fenugreek seeds. This is flattened rice which I am going to wash it and soak it now. Now in the jar I'll first add the dal, the black lentils which is soaked, add around a cup of water, and then this goes for grinding. Add little more water, so you can always add in water as required. Now here you can see the dal is done. This is the perfect consistency for idli batter. If you are preparing for dosa batter, you can add in more water, or you can add water later on. Prefer grinding black lentils first and then the rice. And there is also a tip: during winter season you can use lukewarm water while grinding so that it rises up very nicely. Now in the same jar goes the rice and also the fenugreek seeds. Add little bit of water. At the last, the flattened rice, the soaked flattened rice goes for grinding. Add little bit of water. Now add the poha which is grinded, and now mix this well. You can add in water if required, if you want your dosa batter to be a bit thick, but idli batter is a bit thick as compared to dosa batter. And anyways, the dough rises after 4 to 6 hours when you keep it aside. So at the last you can add water as per the desired consistency. Add salt to taste. Now many people prefer adding the salt after 5 to 6 hours after the dough has risen up, but I generally add it right now so that the salt will help the dough to rise up, so the idli becomes much more softer and fluffier. So now I'll keep this aside for 5 to 6 hours, or preferably overnight. Now here you can see the butter has slopped up very nicely, so I'll just whisk it once more, and then this is ready to use. You can make idli, dosas, uttappas, anything you like.